Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2012 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive with the 3.2 liter V6. So the Volvo brand is known worldwide as one of the safest vehicles on the road, and this XC90 is no exception. It's got blind spot monitoring, it drives and feels so secure. With only 75,000 kilometers, you know what? This one won't last long. You know they're pretty nice when we can park them in our indoor showroom. This Volvo has to be seen. It is that nice. If you're looking for a 7-passenger all-wheel drive with a lot of room, you got to check this XC90 out. Part of the liftgate goes up, the other part goes down, so you can tailgate party. You know what? Animals, dogs, pets are easy to get in and out. And when you fold that third seat down, you've got a ton of room. Costco, no problem. With this bluish gray exterior, the tan leather seats are just gorgeous. And that's an 8-way power driver seat with memory. You've got Bluetooth hands-free for making phone calls, incoming and outgoing. You've got, of course, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. So when you're on the highway, don't worry about those blind spots. This Volvo's got you covered. If you've got members in the family that are tall, you know what? Long legs are welcome in this back seat. And it's also 7 passengers. So you got 2 rear seats too. Lots of room for the whole family. Don't forget the power sunroof and keyless remote. 2012 with only 75,942 kilometers. Where do you find something like that? And if you watch any of my videos, my favorite option, backup camera. Don't worry if the weather's not cooperating. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at. We'll back it into our indoor showroom. You can look at the vehicle under the showroom lights and the warmth of being inside, and you'll find that only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer premium pre-owned at everyday low prices. We also offer low rate financing with extended terms. We also assist people that with BRUISED credit. That means we'll get you driving a newer vehicle like this Volvo at a lower rate the whole time rebuilding your credit.